Welcome to Cooking with Friends. Today I'm your mixologist Lolo. Today we're going to be making the 222 Mule. For this recipe you will need 2 ounces of vodka, 2 ounces of Margarita mix, 2 ounces of ginger beer, fresh lime, and mint sprig. Vodka mules are great for the poolside, great for hot weather, picnics, outdoors, spring, summer. This drink is very simple to make. It comes in a copper mug to keep the drink cold, and it also increases the flavor of the drink. I call this mule the 222 because you're going to need 3 ingredients, 2 ounces of each ingredient. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is add ice to our copper mug. Get it to start chilling. Fill your glass all the way to the top with ice. Then we're going to start with our vodka. I prefer Absolute, so that's what we're going to be using today. We're going to pour 2 ounces. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to mix this part. So pour the 2 ounces in your tin. Now we're going to add 2 ounces of Margarita mix. We're going to pour that directly into the tin. Then we're going to give it a little shake. Pour it into your glass. And then we're going to top it with the other number 2. So it's 2, 2, and 2. So we've done 2 ounces of vodka, 2 ounces of Margarita mix, and now we're going to top the drink with 2 ounces of ginger beer. The reason you don't shake ginger beer while you shake the other ingredients is because this is carbonated, so it will bubble. After you've added your ginger beer, you're just going to garnish it with fresh fruit. So we've got our lime squeeze. And then for a little extra flavor and for a little beautiful look, we're just going to add a little mint sprig. And then you're good to go. That's very refreshing. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and ring the bell. Get notifications every time we post a video. Stay tuned for more delicious drinks on Cooking with Friends.
You're not. What are you doing?